Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl Shipra and welcome back to my channel. Now I'm really sorry if I sound super awkward right now because I've never done vlogs and I don't know how to do them, but I'm gonna try today. Basically, we're going out, like me and my sister are going out to Sarojini and then to Select City Mall, and we have quite a few things planned for the day because I'm supposed to pick up a few things from there and she's supposed to pick up some things from H&M. Basically, we both are going out shopping. So I thought I'll vlog today and let's see how it goes. She's just gonna come out. I'm waiting for her in the car. And I have my mask, so please don't come out for me. I have my mask. I'm just gonna put it on after talking to you guys. I cannot fucking speak. I'm so awkward right now. But yeah, that's what the plan is for the day. Let her come and then I'm gonna see you once we get to Sarojini. So we are finally at the Sarojini Nagar market. My sister is doing her little makeup thing. I usually prefer to come here by metro, but because of the entire COVID situation, I thought traveling by car is the best option. I'm gonna enter the market and probably gonna show you a little bit of the collection around. So stay tuned for that. We'll go once she's done. Yeah. Also, I bought Frutella for myself. I ordered it via Big Basket, and she stole it from me, which is so bad. You should no. So I stole it back, and we're gonna have Frutella and shop around, and then I'm gonna show you around, and then we'll move on to Select City Walk. What did they? So we are back in the car and we shopped quite a lot. मतलब पूरी back seat इस time भरी हुई है. I could not shoot a lot in the market because बहुत ज़्यादा crowded थी. We did not think कि इतने लोग होंगे यहाँ पे. And मतलब usually जितनी होती है, अगर entire COVID situation में हटा दूँ, usually जितनी होती है उतना ही crowd इस time market में है, which is insane. I saw people who were not even wearing masks. प्लीज़ यहाँ आ रहे हो तो मास्क तो पहन ही लेना. बाकी now we are headed to Select City because we are hungry and she wants to get something from H&M and I want to check out something from Zara. मतलब सिर्फ check out, not sure. So yeah, we are headed there and I'll see you there now. We are finally at the mall. MGF. अभी Select City जा रहे हैं and it is so quiet. There's nobody here. Now since we were like very hungry and mainly she was very hungry, so we ordered dim sums, we ordered burrito, tacos and fries and churros and chocolate. Sorry. The dim sums are not yet here, but we are. तो क्या order किया तूने? But I am eating churros and chocolates after so long. Love it. Finally we're going because she wanted to go to H&M, so we're going there and I'm probably gonna end up shopping a lot more, so let's see. Oh, by the way, this is so I like the stuff here. I really like the stuff here. I'm in the trial room right now. I picked up just basics, a black and a white turtleneck, nothing fancy. I just came here for basics only. I liked a lot. I actually found so much stuff that I really liked, but then everything was super expensive, and that's how I did not buy it. But the collection right now is amazing. I love it. I'm making her pay for this. Whenever you have an elder sister, make her pay for whatever you're buying. It's the trick. So, we had a lot of chocolate ice cream, chocolate, and we also had churros and chocolate. So basically today was chocolate. And I made her pay for the body lotion, the Bath and Body Works, and I made her pay for the ice cream also. So, pro tip: whenever you're going out, go with your elder sister or brother and make them pay for your food, for your whatever you're buying, because it's always a benefit. So this is it. That's the end of this vlog. We had so much fun today. We ate a lot. Like this, we shopped a lot. Like my back seat of the car is totally filled with bags right now. I'm gonna do a haul very soon. We had so much fun, and I know for a fact that once I get back home, I'm totally gonna forget to film an outro to this video. So I thought I should definitely do it right away. And she's busy eating now also. Yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Until then, bye bye. This is the third time I'm saying it, and I'm still saying it until then. But it's until then. Bye. Take care. Bye. And yeah. Also subscribe to the channel if you had fun, and like the video and leave your comments down below. I think most of you are gonna say that she should be more available in the vlog. Yeah, and she should not eat while on camera. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Bye. Hi, so we're in the car, back in the... Okay, so that's it for the vlog. What did they? I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Until then.